Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. Watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Thank you guys for watching the video. If it was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would appreciate your support very much. See you later. Bye.